Did you know that something as innocent as a banana could cause global chaos if it rained from the sky for just one day? Sounds silly, right? But what if it actually happened? What if bananas started falling from the clouds instead of raindrops? Would it be a delicious miracle or a planet-wide disaster? And stick around till the end, because what happens in the final hour of this banana storm will shock you. This isn't just a thought experiment. It connects to some real scientific principles, recent agricultural shifts in 2025, and the future of food sustainability. Let's peel back the layers of this crazy scenario. Imagine waking up to the sound of thuds instead of raindrops on your rooftop. You peek outside, and there they are, bananas falling from the sky like yellow missiles. On average, a banana weighs about 120 grams. Now imagine millions of them falling from a height of several kilometers. Forget umbrellas. You'd need helmets. High-speed falling fruit could damage property, injure people, and crash cars. Even more concerning, airplanes would be grounded worldwide to avoid engine damage from banana impact. Meteorologists would call it a category banana storm, and cities would go on lockdown, not for a virus, but for a fruit attack. Now let's talk science. If bananas fell non-stop for 24 hours, covering even half the Earth, we'd have a biodegradable mess. Rotting bananas release methane, a greenhouse gas 80x more potent than CO2 over a 20-year period. In 2025, the UN Climate Panel warned about increasing methane levels from agriculture and food waste. This banana rain could accelerate climate change, clog drainage systems, and attract pests like rats and fruit flies. Forests and crops could be smothered under heaps of fruit, destroying entire harvests. So much for a free smoothie. Bananas are a global commodity, especially in countries like India, the Philippines, and Ecuador. If they suddenly rained from the sky, banana prices would crash instantly, ruining farmers and exporters. In 2025, global food inflation has already become a serious issue. A banana rain would disrupt markets even further. Shipping, trade, and logistics companies would lose billions from the disruption and cleanup. And what about supply chains? Supermarkets would see a temporary surplus, followed by chaos once the market corrects. This fruity fantasy would ripple through the world economy in very real ways. You can bet social media would explode. Banana Storm would trend on TikTok and X, formerly Twitter, with viral videos of banana snow angels and slippery sidewalks. Conspiracy theorists in 2025 might blame it on HAARP, aliens, or an AI weather experiment gone wrong. Religious groups could see it as a sign or punishment, while opportunists might start selling banana umbrellas online. TV shows, news channels, and influencers would cash in on the event. Meanwhile, hospitals would report an increase in banana-related injuries like slipping or even allergic reactions. A day of banana rain would be remembered for decades as Yellow Day. Could it really happen? Scientifically, not quite. Fruit can't form in clouds due to lack of organic material and structural support. But hypothetically, if a malfunctioning teleportation device, quantum glitch, or advanced AI drone swarm dropped bananas from orbit, it's not entirely impossible. Interestingly, in 2025, scientists at MIT have developed biodegradable drones that could, in theory, carry small payloads. While not bananas yet, the idea of artificial weather events is becoming more than science fiction. So, this scenario may be far-fetched today, but give tech a decade, and who knows? And now you know, a banana isn't always harmless, especially if it's falling from 10,000 feet. If you enjoyed this wild what if, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mind-bending questions turned into real science. Got a weird idea of your own? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and wear a helmet.